Hello everyone. In today's session we learn how to paint beautiful roses within this circle that I've drawn. So we'll just cover this area inside the circle and we'll leave the rest, and then if there's still some scope left for the background, I'll try to paint it with my gouache colors. So let's start and let's experiment. Just before I start this, I want to let you know that the material that I'm using over here is a 6 number Camlin brush, and for detailing part I might use this Camel 0 and a 4 number brush for maybe leaves. I usually make it with a single brush, so I don't think that I'll need all of these, but still letting you know. And the watercolor is from Camel. This is a 48 color set. You can use any of the colors you have available. Just see that they are at least artist level, so that they have good pigments and good blending. Let's start. So the brush is pretty much pointed, which helps me to create good strokes, and I've activated my color palette using this spray bottle. So I usually spray water on all the colors before I actually start, because the colors get activated and it's easier for me to pick them up and transfer to an empty palette or a surface like this glassy surface, and then I actually paint them on the paper. So the concept that I have in my mind before painting this is that I'll be painting a kind of pattern over here, which means I'll paint some like a few number of roses in equal spaces, and then we'll cover it with leaves, and then we'll also try to leave a little bit space for the background. Let's start. Dip your brush into the color and remove the excess so that you get a good point.